Good morning, Steve Reed with the morning grain comments. We've got soybeans, soybean oil, soybean meal, and corn lower, while Chicago and KC wheat are higher, while Minneapolis unchanged. Stock market up a little bit, while the dollar is higher, crude lower, and most commodities are lower. As far as the grains are concerned, overnight we saw some rain across Mato Grosso do Sul and Paraná. The best amounts were in Londrina, Paraná, but amounts could have been somewhere between half and maybe as much as 3 inches of rain. This is causing some weakness in the bean complex. As far as down the road, the forecast suggests that parts of central Brazil, northern Brazil, will see normal weather, maybe a little bit too much rain. We also will see some showers maybe in Mato Grosso, Paraná, but Rio Grande do Sul, for the most part, will remain dry. The Argentina forecast is also dry. So that should offer some support down here at some important price levels in the beans. Also, corn is back close to $6, which I think is kind of momentum type support, whereas $5.93 is more of a key support. And I think that this sell-off will probably slow down farmer selling, especially in the corn and wheat, and we'll see if it picks up any demand. Export sales today, probably on the light side for as holidays are concerned and pace needed to meet the USDA numbers. When we turn the calendar, the first thing that we're going to be looking at in 2022 is weather, especially here in the U.S., with our forecasts being warm and dry this summer. Then we'll be looking at the January 12th USDA report. Some people think they'll add to the 2021 U.S. corn and soybean crops. Others also feel that they might drop exports in beans and wheat, and they might increase corn demand enough, especially feed usage and ethanol, and maybe leave exports unchanged to offset any increase in the crop size. But still, carry out around 1490 is negative from a price standpoint. 2022, again, all about weather. It's about the Omicron virus. This is the third day in a row in which worldwide there's over 1 million new cases. But again, it's weaker than the Wuhan and the Delta virus. So we hope that we can kind of get past this virus in 2022. We'll be watching any Fed action as far as tapering stimulus and increasing interest rates. But right now, it doesn't feel like the rates will be increased as much as some people fear, that might offer some resistance to the stock market and the economy. So a little bit lower on some rains down in Brazil, and I think that we're getting close to support, and we'll see if there's any buying into the USDA report or selling into the USDA report, and then just what 2022 has in store for us for grain prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM. ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.